Hi, I'm Kat, and I love my Instant Pot. And I'm pretty sure that my Instant Pot loves me. There isn't a button for love yet, but we're working on it.
I love you.
I've been feeling not too great for a little while, some upset stomachs, some digestive issues, and I decided to look around the world and see what different cultures and cuisines have done to address stomach issues through food. In Korea, you might have some kimchi. In Greece, you might have food that is laced with fennel. So I decided to look into my past and into my culture to see what I could find. I'm a white girl from the suburbs of Kentucky, so I'm going with Doritos. Wow, are they scientifically engineered to make you freaking happy? Problem is, I can't actually eat regular Doritos. They're not on a paleo diet. And I found out that I was not alone in my quest for a Frito seasoning. I'm not even gonna pretend that I will remember everything that's in it, so I wrote it down. Nutritional yeast, tomato powder, chili pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, citric acid, and annatto. And I decided to mix them with a couple of foods that I know sit really well in my stomach. So I'm gonna make a Doritos flavored paleo, kind of a custard, it's kind of a souffle. What it is just happy. This is some kabocha squash that I have already roasted and whipped into a frenzy so it's a little bit light and airy. Eggs, y'all know what those are, right? Eggs. And my Doritos seasoning. So we will start by plopping these here eggs, getting a lot of air in there so it's gonna be able to steam up nice and fluffy. Oh yeah, we're steaming this. We're using the steamer function on the Instant Pot. You know, if someday scientists figured out a way to meld my consciousness with that of a semi-indestructible kitchen appliance, who are you to say that's wrong? Whip, 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 whip. So I'm gonna take some of this. I'm gonna take a little bit of it and just do this bit by bit. Whip, 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 whip. Here we go, whip, 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 whip. Now it's time to add the Frito seasoning.
Nice.
Introduce some of that, making it all Dorito-y. So the next thing we're gonna do, open up our pal, the Instant Pot. How you doing?
I love you.
This is it is a cup and a half of water. I'm gonna use these little ramekins, which I have buttered, filling up to the ridge line. Bloop, 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 bloop. Good, we have room for 2 cozy little ramekins in there. Now it's time. I am one with the Instant Pot, and the Instant Pot is one with me.
Wow.
Oh, and you smell like Doritos. Oh my God. We have achieved squash Doritos souffle. A little bit more of that Dorito magic. That is light and fluffy and Dorito-y. I just want to share it with everyone I love, and that means you, Instant Pot.